Imagine a vacation where your relaxation directly fuels positive change. When you choose to stay at either Villa Flor, the Cabrera, or Villa Florita, you're not just enjoying a luxurious escape, you're making a tangible investment in our local community here in Cabrera. We offer a direct benefit. 50% of every donation you make to the Cabrera Community Center becomes a rental credit for your next stay with us. The Cabrera Community Center is a vital hub, providing essential skills training and educational opportunities for both children and adults. Your contribution directly supports their efforts. Every dollar you donate goes precisely to the project you designate. You can choose to help improve the center's facilities, ensuring a better learning environment, or directly sponsor a vocational class, empowering individuals with practical skills for local employment. And here's the best part. Your donor credits are good for up to 1 year, so you don't need to make a reservation before you decide to donate and make a difference. Your stay offers a unique chance to experience paradise while contributing to a stronger, more capable Cabrera. It's a straightforward way to see your vacation dollars create a lasting positive impact. Click on a campaign below to learn more.